morning students. Now let us proceed to solve question number 6 of exercise 2.5, that is linear equations with one variable, chapter 2 of class 8 NCERT mathematics book. It is very easy to solve. We have to follow the similar steps as we followed in question number 5. All the steps are almost similar. Here you see there are total 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of them only one term, the number 1 is a constant because it consists only a number. So this constant term we have to keep it separate and बाकी के सारे terms को एक साथ लाके एक side में रखना है. So now let us transpose this term to left hand side. So now let us write like this. जो है LHS में वही रहना है और जो बाकी जो एक टर्म रह गया है RHS में उसको लेना है LHS में. So now see, the sign of this term is negative. There is a negative sign. So while transposing, this will be positive. Equals to 1. Keep it in mind that while solving, while transposing numbers, negative will be positive will be negative, negative will be positive, multiplication will be division, and division will be multiplied. And if there is a fraction, ये multiply हुआ है, then it will be multiplied being after being reciprocated. We have to multiply the reciprocal of that number after transposing in RHS. So see, there are 3 variable terms in LHS now. Let us take, let me write 3 here. Let us take the LCM of all 3 fractions. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now let us divide 6 with this denominator, that is 1. Multiply that one with m, the result is 6. It will be multiplied with m. 6 divided by 2, this LCM division denominator of the second fraction, that is 3. So 3 will be multiplied here. This negative sign has to be kept. Minus 3 into m minus 1. Again 6 LCM division, the denominator 3 is 2. Plus sign has to be there. 2 multiplied by m minus 2. This is equals to 1. Now open all the brackets in the numerator. This is 6m minus 3m. Minus 3 into m is minus 3m. Minus 3 into minus 1. Negative negative is positive. So it will be plus 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 2 into m is 2m, then plus 2 into minus 2. So there is one negative number, so result will be negative. 2 2s are 4. Total divided by 6 equals to 1. Now see, rearrange the terms here. Keep the constant terms aside and apart, and we will keep it in the at last. So now let me write 6m minus 3m plus 2m plus 3 minus 4 divided by 6 equals to 1. See, 6m minus 3m is 3m. यहाँ पे 6m है, let us consider 6 आम है और यहाँ पे 3 आम है. 6 आम में से 3 आम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो और 3 आम रह जाएगा. So ये m है, यहाँ पे आम तो नहीं है. So let us write 3m in place of 6m minus 3m. और बाकी के सारे वैसे ही रखने हैं. Now let us also solve this one constant term. 1 is negative, so the greater number is 4 and that sign has to be there. Then subtract the numbers as there, both have different signs. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So this will be minus 1. Divided by 6 equals to 1. This implies 3m प्लस 2m। जैसे यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन हुआ m का, वैसे ही एडिशन होगा। 3 आम में से आम में 2 आम जोड़ दें तो 5 आम रह जाएंगे। So 5m minus 1 divided by 6 equals to 1. Now see, our equations has been reduced to simpler form. It was given a complicated equation earlierly, and it has been reduced to simpler form now. अब एक्सरसाइज 2.1 में हम जैसे सॉल्व कर रहे थे वैसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे। सो सी, नाउ as it is divided, it is a ratio now, so 6 has to be removed first. We cannot remove 1 or 5 because there is already a division with the total polynomial in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. It is totally divided by with 5m minus 1, so 6 has to be removed first. So 6 यहाँ पे हुआ है डिविजन, तो दूसरी तरफ जाके होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन। So 5m minus 1 इक्वल टू 6 को निकाल दिया हम, 1 into 6. Now 5m minus 1 equals to 6. Solve it in the next step. अब क्या रिमूव होगा यहाँ से? 1 होगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन हुआ है। हमको बॉडमैस रूल याद रखना था। पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन आता है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन निकालना है। 5m equal to, it is negative here and will be positive in right hand side. So 6 plus 1. So 5m equals to 7. So what will be m here? This will be 7 divided by 5. 5 was multiplied and will be divided here. So this is the result of or value of m in this equation. समझ में आ गया होगा? Thank you.